Hello, this is DJ Dimaliuat, and in this video, we will answer the question, do kids need life insurance? So as you all know, in this channel, we have this segment called Life Insurance Questions Answered. So there are some questions that you ask me and I will try to answer in some of my videos that I will have here. So let's discuss. As we all know, that life insurance, mainly the purpose is that you get it if you're a breadwinner, if somebody is relying on your income. So how about kids? They're not breadwinners. So definitely, for me, life insurance is not the utmost priority. We can actually say that they don't need life insurance. But what is this video all about? So I would wanna highlight that what they need is health insurance. They only need health insurance because that's the risk. Everybody needs health insurance, whether you're a breadwinner, you're a housewife, you're single, you're married, and even you're a child, because we're not sure. We would never know what will happen, who gets sick and when. And as we all know, healthcare here in the Philippines is really expensive. So if you don't have health insurance, it will be challenging. There will be really costs and mabigat yan sa bulsa. So if you don't have a separate health fund, when that happens, you might need to use your savings or sell your properties or your assets. So I'm really advocating that you get your kids health insurance. So there are two types of health insurance. There's one that's really focused on critical illness coverage. Usually, mas mura yun kasi maybe lesser yung probability. So we have a product in AIA called AIA Critical Protect. You can get it for kids. In fact, it's from age 0 to age 65. And for kids, one example, my 2-year-old son, we got a critical protect coverage for him, 1 million coverage up to age 100 of life and critical illness, just a little over 1,000 a month. So parang mga nasa 15 or 16,000 a year. It's so cheap, and we don't want that to happen, but sabihin na lang natin, we pay 15,000 for the next 20 years, so that's 300,000. Anything happens, may 1 million akong gift sa family niya. Diba? So that's how I thought of it. So that's one of the things. And then one other thing is health card, right? The health insurance, yung hospitalization. Usually mas mahal yun because there's more probability of getting sick. Yung hospitalization lang, hindi critical. Diba? So health cards would answer like usually confinement. We have a product here in AIA called AIA Med Assist, but definitely it's a bit pricey, especially for kids, for minor. But again, 0H you can get because kaya siya dinesign ng ganun, no? For age 0 pwede na kumuha kasi nga kids really need health insurance. But of course, the probability of getting sick for kids is high, kaya mas mahal. Diba? So I have a product review about AIE Med Assist. You can just message me if you have questions about that product. So how about education fund? Probably that's what you will ask. Do I need to get insurance for education? Well, basically, when you say education fund, what you really need is the fund. Kung gusto mo mag-ipuan for K-12 or for college, kahit age 0 pa lang yan, 1 or 2, it's good to get now because it's a guaranteed expense anyway. But now, if you will ask me, the insured should be the parent, the breadwinner. So meaning, ang design lang would be, especially if you don't have an insurance yet, or maliit pa lang, dapat ikaw yung insured and then yung anak mo, ang purpose lang is para sa kanya. Diba? So, but there are some VULs or life insurance products na ang insured is yung anak. Ang purpose nun, hindi naman mali yun. Ang purpose nun is para mas maliit yung charges, mas mura siya kasi nga ang liit ng probability of death of kids. So, mas malaki yung pwedeng, kunyari kung VUL yan, mas mabilis kumita yung VUL mo because lesser insurance charges. Yun yung advantage if the kid is insured. Right? But for me, no, you will only do that if the parent has adequate life insurance or high enough life insurance. No? Wag lang 1 million, no? 2 million, 3 million or more, ideally, you already have that before mo i-insure yung anak mo. Right? Ang masakit pa nito, minsan, I've seen some stories, heard some stories from different clients, experiences na bumili ng isang life insurance education fund, ang insured lang yung anak, yung parent hindi, and then something happens to the parent. So, di ba, walang nakuha yung family o may education fund pero future pa yan. Paano yung ngayon, di ba? So, you gotta balance it out. If you will ask me, if I'm your financial advisor, I always advise na insure muna natin yung parent. Dapat yung purpose lang nitong life insurance policy na to for education. So, dapat kumuha ka pa ng iba pang life insurance for other purposes because you have to get multiple life insurance policies per different goal, different life goal. Right? So that's why you have to really work with a competent financial advisor who will really give you advice on how to really manage your portfolio because portfolio dapat yan, hindi pwedeng isa lang na life insurance yan. Right? So imagine if you get just one life insurance, ikaw yung insured, so sinunod mo yung ginawa ko, yung sinabi ko, but winidraw mo siya after 15 years para sa education ng anak mo. By that time, you're 15 years older, tapos wala ka ng life insurance, di ba? So, parang mali, no? So, dapat hindi ganon. You should get separate for education, separate for health insurance of your kids, separate for your own life and health insurance and your retirement or whatever purpose. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you have questions, just leave in the comment section. Whatever your question is about life insurance, I will try to create a video about it. If I haven't done so, because I have a lot of videos here in this channel about your questions in life insurance. And again, if you would want to ask for a quotation about whatever product for your kid, health insurance plan or education fund, just send me a message in my Facebook page. Just go to DJ Dimaliuat or to facebook.com/DJ Dimaliuat official. So with that, thank you very much for watching this video and see you in the next one.